All right, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to give some love to AMC. I haven't done this stock since like September, and it's just been a complete dud. Anticipation of the market going down, and it's been doing that ever since I concluded the price prediction in September. Now today's a different day. We might have opportunity to see AMC at least give us some movement higher. Okay, I'm not saying like $10. I'm not saying $20. I'm just saying it might get a small move higher, $2.60, $3, something like that. And we'll take it if that's going to happen. But before I get started and talking about it, you guys appreciate the videos and the content. As always, I want you guys to show love, and you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, as well as subscribing here to the channel. All right, because I don't hide nothing from my people. If I am able to do this, I want to show you that you can do it too. So we completely show you all of the predictions that we talk about, whether they go right, whether they go wrong, because either way, it gives us an opportunity to become better at reading charts. That's all we're doing here. Okay, we're not trying to hype up these stocks. We're not trying to make the CEO of AMC, Aaron. We're not trying to make him filthy rich, but rather we're trying to make ourselves more proficient and competent at the market structure in stocks. Okay, so let's run it. All right, so now let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit, because you can just clearly tell that this stock is in a complete downtrend. It hadn't even broken this downtrend yet, and it started all the way back in May of this year. We're about to complete 2025, and this stock is still crashing. It is still going down. Imagine all the people that came and created videos to you, and you listened to them, and you saw what they was talking about. The market's going to go up. There's going to be a short squeeze, but the stock's still going down. I want you all to learn something. Don't pay attention to people and the content that they're saying if it doesn't match with what is being shown on the charts. I'm just going to keep it real. I would want someone to tell me the exact same thing that I'm telling you, because it leads into a false premise and a false hope. When you look at other people's content and all they talk about is a stock going shoot to the moon, but then you come and you look and log on TradingView and you see the stock is going straight to hell. It's going straight to the rocks. Don't follow those people for logical, sensible price and market structure. You can watch them for entertainment purposes, but don't give them no more than that. All right. So now this price prediction was, like I said, was produced in September. We hit our ultimate TP price right there on November 7th, 14.94%, almost 15% move there on the low. Since we did this price prediction, you guys can see it ran at 27% right there. Okay. So now let's get rid of that, and we're going to get rid of this downtrend line. Okay, and let's completely get rid of these buy pockets. We're going to add sell pockets in the midst of those in replacement of those buy pockets. So let's run that real quick. Let me make it right here. Okay, so here's a massive sell pocket right there in AMC. Let me see this on a different time frame. Let's run this on 11. See if we got something clear. All right, so we got one right here for AMC. Have another one down here for AMC. It's like another one here too. Let me run this on the 3. Okay, so yeah, I kind of like that. So I think we're going to hold those as the sell pockets, and we're going to add buy pockets. So this is on a 3-hour chart, and you can see where the buyers are. Here's one here. This is the ultimate low so far since our last video. This is where the buyers truly came through and supported the stock. Let me run this on the 5. Matter of fact, I think it might get better on the 5. Yep. So we're going to make another pocket right here for AMC, and another one, it has been created too. So these areas are very big, very important for us to see AMC hold if we're anticipating the stock to continue to go up. Okay, so like just for ease of purpose. These pockets represent points to where you want to buy and points to where you want to sell. So like if I'm a buyer, if I'm looking to buy this stock, then I want to come in and buy the stock on one of these 3 buy pockets. That's where I'm at. Okay. And if I'm trying to sell the stock after I bought it, then I'm looking to sell it on one of these sell pockets. Just that easy, just that simple. That's why these pockets are so important in our predictions, because it gives us an idea or a gauge of where price is headed or is trying to go. Because currently I do suspect that the market in AMCs is trying to go up higher price. Okay. So we will try to pinpoint our take profit right in these sell pockets up here. Okay. And also, like if we bought AMC right here, okay, we have a place to say, okay, cool. I'm clearly the market is telling me that I'm on the wrong side. So like if we bought here and let's say that the market continued to go down, we could just let it go until we can say, yeah, I don't like this. The market is not playing in my favor. When it breaks this buy pocket, you just let it go. There won't be no emotions involved in this whatsoever, because we have already stated within our analysis that if price breaks this buy pocket, then it's less likely that the market in AMC is going to try to continue to go up. Okay, so one thing, I hopefully I'm just giving you all a lot of information you haven't heard before, because people ain't putting money in this game just to lose it. So when people come in and actually hold a price, they're definitely motivated to make the market go in their favor. Okay, so all these people who bought AMC on this pocket of buying, they ain't trying to lose their money. So if price comes back down again, they'll be even more motivated to try to keep this stock up because they want to make money too. So our job is to try to participate with the team that's winning. That's it. We're unbiased. I don't care if the sellers are moving the price or if it's the buyers. I could care less, because in today's time, it gives us opportunity to make money both ways. All right. So now let me look at this on the daily chart again, because we are going to look for price in AMC to go higher, but we have to be very careful and cautious because we haven't broken that downtrend line that was on our chart previously. All right. So here it is on the 2. This shows you on the 2 that the market is trying to be held by buyers. Another reason why I'm anticipating that this stock wants to go up. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so we completed this 3-day price bar right here. This is finished. So can't nobody come back and change it up. They can't switch it. It's set. And look at the volume that came into this 3-day price bar as well. Look at all that volume on this very small bar. So either the market sellers did a terrible job of trying to move the market down, or there's more buyers entering because they're buying this stock now because they know that it's another opportunity that price is going to continue to run and go up. And that's what I'm suspecting. That's what's going on into the market for AMC. Another reason is that the market sellers did not get anything out of that weakness on that 3-day price bar. The market closed up higher instead. Another indication that the buyers are now trying to get in place and control this market. Okay, so I'm pretty much finished. I'm just going to go ahead and draw our prediction. I don't like the weekly chart though. I don't like this this weekly price bar here. So again, I'm going to be cautious, because the only way I would become even more bullish if this trading week AMC closes all the way up here at the high of the bar on the weekly chart, then I would definitely be extending my idea of looking for the market to continue to go up in AMC. So now let me run this back, and we're going to drop this prediction on the chart. Okay, now I'm going to run our stop loss all the way down here to where we know that buyers are located. We don't want to see the market fall below this point. Our first target, this first sell pocket. Okay, so you can see on the low is like $2.45, 5.6%. At the higher, that sell pocket is 7 3/4 at 250. Okay, we're going to run it up to this next sell pocket, 260, 11.63%. to like 12.5% at $2.61. I might just leave it right there for the moment, just to see how strong these buyers really are in the long term. But yeah, that's it. That's where I'm at right now. So let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.